video. So, pupunta tayo sa Ocean Park Manila mamaya. See you guys later.
So, nagninil siya. Meron pa.
Before, that easy, bro. We are in Ocean Park. Hi guys, nasa Ocean Park na tayo. Ayan na guys, lalabas na tayo. Don't be shy. Pasok na tayo. Ano?
Ayun pala, pwede ka mag-ano ng touch ng...
Dito kami sa Ocean Park. Picture ka doon.
Baby! Next po.
Miss ko na pumunta dito.
Sobra talaga ako sa'yo. Miss ko na ako sa'yo.
Pwede po sa kapag.
Lahat. Ay, ikaw pala si Josh muna. Teo, here.
Pupunta.
Sorry po. Okay, so papasok na kami dito sa... Hindi ko alam kung anong meron dito. Pero parang mga animal breeding program. Ooh! Awak mo.
Guys,
Maayos ha, maayos.
tingnan nyo guys.
Oh, that's some very...
Bro, look at the fish there. Oh. Takot. Angelfish!
Oh, doon ka na. Lapit ka.
What fish is that? Angelfish.
Ang galing niya, B. Alam niya.
Ayun o.
Angelfish.
It's a big fish! Guppy! Ate Josh, guppy!
Ha?
Guppy! Tilapia! And burn tilapia?
You want to check there again? Gusto mo ulit pumunta doon?
Why? Is there something new?
Nothing, just the fish.
That's a clean one.
Big.
Living in the sea.
Ah. Wow, laki. Hindi yan bangos. Ay, cute.
Lock mo pala. Koi fish yan. Oh my God.
Baby, what if ilublog? What if ilublog? Ilublog yung... Bro.
Black.
Tara. Ito na ata yung yung the reef. Nandito na. Yung mga mga shark.
That's a goofy. That's a wiglet. That's a wiglet. No, it's that's a wiglet. No, it's a snake. That's a Pokemon. That's a wiglet. That's a Pokemon. Search wiglet. That's a wiglet.
Scary.
Bruh.
Going to the beach will never be the same. Oh my God.
Baby shark. Baby shark. Baby shark. Baby shark.
Wait, picture ka doon. Picture ka tayo. Picture. Wait lang, pag dumating. Cute.
Come on, Nemo. Clownfish yan. Clownfish. And there's a crab. Yeah, that's plankton.
Ito clams.
Do they move?
Barely.
Yeah.
That
They can move. What is that? Pufferfish.
is that a pop?
Yeah, that's a pufferfish. I know this. I knew it. I just knew it. I have a pet pufferfish. Josh!
Bro is sleeping.
Rusty thing?
Sleep ape.
Look, what fish is that again? Ang ganda oh. Parang mga flower, no? Nasusama ko. Sino Diyos? Ang ganda ng starfish.
This is the one that we saw in Mabini. Tell him.
May stingray dito, guys. Tingnan nyo lang. Ayun. May nawala. Ayun, stay free ulit. Stay free. Nawala. Wow. Ayun talaga. Ayun o. Ayun guys. Kita nyo ba? Ayun o guys. Ayun guys o. Punta na tayo sa tunnel.
Wait lang.
Bro, look. Oh my. Guys, sobrang laki. Guys, sobrang laki. As in laki. As in laki. As in laki, guys. Sobrang. Ayan din, guys. Oh. So whatever fish That is ang laki. Ano yan?
Huwag ka masyadong lalayo sa amin kasi mamaya paglingon mo, wala na kami.
Meron doon malaki yan.
Bro.
Mamaya, pagpalag, hintay natin.
Popper fish.
Ito na.
Hindi yan popper.
Ito.
Hindi, ayun o.
Look. Ayaw. Ayun.
Ayun yun. Yung malaki mata.
Look, meron.
Ay, laki. Ay, laki. Popper fish. Hello.
Bro, look, the fish is sleeping.
Can I see? Oh, yeah. Look at the mouth.
Okay.
Look at the mouth. Look what it's doing. Timo.
Ganyan ka mag-sleep eh. Wow, patingin. Patingin. Wow, walang difference. Okay, let's go there na sa
Ano
tunnel.
the tunnel? Ako po mag-awak. Yup. Giant. Oh my God. Oh my God. Holy moly! Umalis na! Ayun na! Thank you!
Ang lalaki kasi.
Sabi ka din namin. My smiley face.
Ang cute niya, mamansin.
Bye, bro. Ikot sa atin. Cute niya. May smile siya. Ayun o, meron pa isa. It's ugly.
Bro, this is a stingray. And dip your hands.
What will happen?
Dip your hands.
Wait. What if I do? Nagkikiss lang sila.
Baby, ayan na, sa kabila. Ito. Ikaw din. babe. Try mo. Go! Maria, dip your hands here. Come here. Wait, here. Bakit ka? Wait, dito ka lang. Dito ba sa ako? Ito tayo. Other hand mo, shoot mo.
Ayun na.
Bro!
Aww.
Sabi niya, this bitch be deep in her hand and don't wanna touch.
Aray! Parang nakagat nila ako! shark. I wish my fish like this. Meron ako isda parang ganyan, Ate Diyos. Tapos mamutol. Daming sa TV. Guys, scary.
Ayun na yung yung...
Pwede pala mag-swimming dyan eh. Bro, look. What is this? Pwede nga. Where are we gonna go? That's real. Daming sleepy. Ano to? Ay, may ano.
Basahin mo.
Yun yung mga milipid. Ayun o, babies.
Wala naman sila. Why?
Andito. Gising. What the?
What's that?
Dragon. Gagamba to?
Iguana.
Look at it.
What's that?
Camouflage. Nakita ko na. Ano, may something dito, may claws. Oh, gagamba. Saan yung gagamba? Nakatago. Baka dito. Tago ba din?
Ayun oh.
Hindi ko nakita. Parang salamander. What? Ayun. Ito. One. Snapping yan eh. Ayun o, snapping. Oh, snapping. Where's the spider? Hi! There's a frog. Boneka ang balabo. There's a frog. What is in there? There's a frog. May frog.
Bra.
Pacman frog. Pacman frog? Oh, it's so cute. There's maybe so Ano to? Spider. Oh, tarantula. Oh, tarantula. What's in there? There's nothing. Wala. Ah, baby turtle. Can I see what's in there?
Wala, hindi namin mahanap. Baka ito na!
Bruh. Tarantula. Tarantula. Two. Tarantula. Athena! Ang daming ano, tingin mo. Ito frog. What? Frog. Frog. Wala dito, wala dito. Ang laki. Athena, ang laki. Oh my God. What's this?